IVM.
The Whole Truth knows that we need breakfast foods that don't make us feel sleepy in the afternoons. That is, we don't need that energy slump that a lot of our regular carb-heavy breakfast foods provide. Meet the perfect breakfast range of muesli by The Whole Truth, where 50% of your breakfast is made up of complex carbs, so the energy release is slow and steady over the day and no spikes and crashes. This means none of that afternoon energy slump. Just visit thewholetruthfoods.com and use the coupon code HABIT on checkout to get an awesome 20% discount. Hello and welcome to the Habit Coach Podcast, the bite-sized podcast filled with quick and easy, actionable habits. Remember, great habits create that awesome life. I am Ashton Doctor, your habit coach. And today's fun fact of the day has to do with play. Did you know that play or playful behavior is seen among the whole animal kingdom? Now, let me give you a double did you know. Did you know that scientists still don't know why animals play? We're so used to believing that we know that our pets or our pet cat or our pet dog, they play fight, jumping on each other, chasing each other, hiding from each other. We believe that they are practicing how to hunt or how to fight or how to get away from danger. The other theory is that every time they play, they are strengthening a bond with each other, a bond that will last for a lifetime, so that they can help each other and support each other. Is it because play makes them tougher, their ability to hone skills they will need in the real world? And if that's the case, then why do adult animals play? Because they should have got all that figured out. Think about dolphins jumping around outside the water. Now, what real life application does that actually have? Or whales that have deep diving competitions with each other? Honestly, it's all a mystery. My favorite story actually about this puzzles scientists till this day. This happened way up in the North Pole. There were these National Geographic photographers that were filming, and suddenly they see this polar bear walking towards a sled dog. And they were using these sled dogs to get around. The polar bear looks shriveled, clearly underfed, because there was a food shortage that season, and that's what the National Geographic photographers were covering. Polar bears have been known to eat sled dogs, and you'll find many articles on this online as well. But the photographers started filming this exchange, and what happened next was shocking. The polar bear started playing with the dog. The two animals are clearly playing with each other. And after a while, the polar bear gets up and leaves, leaving the dog unharmed. And you can actually watch this video if you just search for polar bear plays with dog. Now, what logical sense is there for an animal to waste energy playing, especially when it's starving? So, clearly play has a big, deep-rooted meaning in our lives. We played as kids all the time, different games. We created make-believe worlds, we joked, we laughed. When no one was watching us, we did everything. We danced without a care in the world. What changed when we became adults? We suddenly became serious. The weight on the world suddenly fell on our shoulders. The expectations from everyone started to weigh us down. We started to lose our sense of individuality, started conforming to how adults are supposed to behave. We got so caught up in our goals and responsibilities, we forgot to take time and enjoy the moments that exist every day. And we're so pulled down by the news right now, by the doomsday WhatsApp forwards. We're drained from sitting at home and seeing our lives just pass by. Who said life had to be this serious? A week ago, I started a support group on Telegram. I put a link up on my Instagram and I left it open for anyone to join. And I created this group because I realized that people were going through so much mental and emotional trauma. And it helps to just talk to people about it. Just get it out of your system. Be heard, or at least be part of something where you can help others. And in that 24-hour period, about 115 people joined the group. And the first day was a volley of messages, just back and forth, asking about each other, sharing what they were going through, asking questions about life and love and self-worth and all those serious topics. Remember, we're all strangers on this group. Nobody knows each other. Slowly, we opened up and shared about our lives. Then the conversation completely changed from serious to playful. Everyone was joking with each other. They began playing games. We started writing poems for each other. The whole group began to play. Something that was meant to be a place to share the bad things happening in our life became an island of positivity in a sea of negativity. And I absolutely love the members of this group because this is the only place right now that is having fun. In a sea of WhatsApp messages asking for oxygen cylinders and lockdown news and death, this little playful group has become a place to relax and just chill. In fact, there's a form of play which in Hindi is called masti. Unfortunately, there's no direct translation for English that completely describes this feeling because it's a cross between play and being mischievous or naughty. And this is my favorite kind of play. I wish we could all live in this state of masti. And as your habit coach, I want you to add masti back into your life. Find those little moments of playfulness, teasing a friend, pulling someone's leg, playing a prank, acting foolish, laughing your heart out for no reason at all. Add masti to these chores that you do every day, these mundane tasks. You can make them fun. But more importantly, the masti acts as a break to the stress of the day, to the bad news that we receive, to the seriousness of our lives. The support group has become my little escape to masti. And join the group if you like. Every week I'll share the link on a particular day and you can join. But warning, we are a chatty bunch of people, so you've been warned. So your simple habit starts by taking a break from the seriousness of life. And then add masti to the things that you do every day. Add masti to your dinner table conversations. Add masti to your daily chores and even the work. Make masti a habit and it'll be a part of your life forever. You see, just because we're adults does not mean that we cannot play or have fun or do masti. So start these habits and share with us your progress using the hashtag #TheHabitCoach. If you like this podcast, don't forget to check out other interesting podcasts on the IVM network. You can listen to us on the IVM Podcast app or ivmpodcast.com. You can also follow us on social media. We are at IVM Podcasts on Twitter and Instagram. If you want to reach out to me, I am Ashtin Doc on Twitter and Instagram. You can find lots more information on my website, awesome180.com, or check out different content on my YouTube channel called AWESOME180. That's Awesome180. This IPL season, you stand a chance to win some epic prizes during the Cred Mega Jackpot Week from 27th April to 3rd May. You could win prizes like 3 whole years of free flights or a Tata Safari car and lots more. Just pay your credit card bills on the Cred app. Crazy jackpot prizes unveiled every day and crazy offers by partner brands on specific days. So don't miss out. Just download Cred.
I hope you enjoyed that show. If you aren't following us on social media, please do. We're IVM Podcasts on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. We'd like to thank our sponsors this week, thewholetruthfoods.com, PayPal, Cred, and Siat. Thank you so much for working with us. We really appreciate it. First up this week, let me tell you about Cyrus Says. We featured popular YouTuber and actor Prajakta Kohli, who took us through her journey of content creation. We also had conversations with Vasanthi Hariprakash and Sachin Kalbag this week. Really great conversations. Do check those out. Vineet Kanabar goes solo this time on Storytellers and Storysellers as he talks about his favorite IPL ads and how brands have been making content around the Cricket League. On The Habit Coach, Ashton was joined by Arjun and Somesh of the Fighting Goat podcast to talk about fitness for combat sports like the mixed martial arts. On Nankari, Sadaf and Archit discussed the diet and lifestyle of athletes with the host of the Millennial Athlete, Shok Ramchandra, who is also a pro badminton player and coach. Ambarana opens the 4th season of Know Your Kanun with a list of things he has planned on the show for us, including episodes on immigration law and on career prospects for law students. The IPL season's on and we've definitely got you covered. Tune into the Edges and Sledges podcast if you're looking for English, and if you're looking to listen to something in Hindi, definitely check out Khel Neeti. Both are great shows with great takes. And with that, I hope to see you again next week.